To find remote jobs part 3. So the first site I'm going to talk about in this video is Panijan. So Panijan is a site that is going to help you get a lot of remote jobs here. So you can post your jobs here and you can find jobs here. To find jobs, you just come on here and then you tap on find a job here. So find a job here, you're going to get all the job listings here. So sometimes you need to check the requirements. Some of the jobs, they don't want some nationalities, so be checking that. So, you can scroll down and then you get any job of your choice and then you apply. So the second site I'm going to talk about in this video is Remotive. So Remotive is also going to help you get remote jobs. So just like I said, be checking the requirements. They don't want some nationalities and some locations. Some jobs you need to be in America, USA only, like what I was saying here. So online data research. So you can find a lot of remote jobs here. If you are eligible, you can apply. So now the site we're going to talk about is virtual vocations. So on here too, you can get remote jobs. So you can see this is remote positions for software development. So just like I said, checking the requirements, some nationalities are not accepted in some jobs. So you can see here. So when you hop on here, you just move to find your jobs here. You scroll down and then you find the jobs you prefer and then you apply. Simple as that. You can choose this. They have this filter to help you get your best jobs. So entry level, experience, and the rest. They have a lot here. So if you have talent and you think you can work remotely, you can hop on these sites to search for jobs. So that's it for the video. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.